Welcome back to my channel, Foodies Magnets, and it's almost Christmas now and we're just so close to New Year's. So I thought easy, quick and delicious. And what's better than a good, gooey and yummy double chocolate chip cookie? And to put a cherry on top, it's an eggless recipe. So for all you people who avoid eggs, well, this is the recipe for you. It's a quick and easy recipe. So let's get going and see what all ingredients we require for our double chocolate chip cookie recipe. So the ingredients that we require are choco chips, 1/4 cup, baking soda or meetha soda, 1/4 teaspoon, baking powder, 1 teaspoon, vanilla essence, about 1 teaspoon. Main ingredient that we require is 100 grams of all-purpose flour or maida, powdered sugar 50 grams, 36 grams of cacao powder. I've used a dark cocoa powder. Extra choco chips for topping or garnishing. This is totally optional. If you want to make this into an egg-based cookie, you can simply add 1 egg to the mixture. But this is an eggless cookie, so we're not going to use egg in this recipe, but you can always use 1 egg. The next ingredient is 60 grams of butter. You can use white butter or yellow butter. It's totally up to you. We will require about 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt or normal curd. Get started with the preparation. First, we're going to add the sugar and the softened butter along with vanilla into the mixing blender and mix it up well until it's light and fluffy. So we've added the butter, the softened butter. Now we are adding the powdered sugar. You can use normal sugar as well. Now let's add the vanilla essence to it. And we need to blend. So we've added the sugar, the vanilla essence and the butter. Now we're going to blend it. As you can see, the sugar and butter and vanilla have been mixed well and it's become fluffy and pale in color. This is the consistency that we require. So let's shut our blender and now add the other ingredients. Let's quickly add all our other ingredients. This is super easy and quick. Now we've added the maida or the all-purpose flour, the cocoa powder, the baking powder, the baking soda into this mixing stand, and now we're going to mix it again on low speed first, then on a little higher speed. So low to medium speed, we're going to just beat it up well. So we just mix this up well and increasing the speed. Now let's add our choco chips to this and we'll just mix it up well on higher speed. Let's add 1 spoon, 2 spoons of Greek yogurt or curd into this mixture. We change the paddle to make it into a dough. You can even use your hands, but using the paddle is also the best way. Whatever suits you, please do that. You can use your hands and make a dough of the whole thing, or just use a paddle. So now we're going to use this and make a dough. Let's preheat our oven at 160 degrees Celsius and we're going to bake these cookies on 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. So the paddle is doing its magic. Until then, Let's quickly preheat our oven at 160 degrees Celsius. Preheated our oven at 160 degrees Celsius. You can see the dough is forming. And now we're going to take it out and give it shape and bake, bake, bake. Yay! This is looking delicious, everyone. We've lined up our baking tray and I placed some oil, brushed some oil on it and placed the parchment paper on top. And this is ready to get into the oven. So let's make the cookies and bake, bake, bake. To make even cookies is take a spoon, measuring spoon or any other ice cream scoop and just scoop out bit of the dough and make a ball out of it. And voila! Let's place it on the dish. So we've taken the dough, just simply place it. Now let's add some chocolate chips on top. How much chocolate chips you want to add, it's all up to you. As you can see, we've kept the balls of the cookie dough separately so that once it bakes, it has enough space and room to increase in size. And this is going to go directly into the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Let's just quickly top all the cookies with chocolate chips. So, well, we've decked the cookies with loads of chocolate chips. Please go ahead, totally fill them up with more chocolate chips as you like it. Or you can even add, for all you coffee lovers, I have a very interesting idea. On top of this, why don't you add a little bit of instant coffee granules on it? It's going to taste heavenly. All you coffee lovers like me, I've taken some nice blend of instant coffee with me into a bowl, and I'm now going to add this on top of the cookies. You all can see I've just sprinkled some instant coffee, a nice blend of instant coffee on top of the cookies. Let's set our timer to 20 minutes. But we'll keep a check at 15 minutes. We've inserted the cookies into the baking oven and we're going to let it bake. Wow, yum. Don't they look delicious, guys? Quickly try this recipe. It's a must try for all. Let's get baking, guys. Let's just check. Are our cookies done? No, they're just about to get done. So we'll wait for another 5-10 minutes and complete this cycle in 6 minutes. Yum! The fragrance and the aroma coming from the oven is delicious and heavenly, guys. And my kitchen is, I can't express it. It's feeling so great. Yum! The timer is up. Wow. Let's take them out of the oven. So let's get them cooled at room temperature. Yum, the cookies have turned out to be amazing. Delicious. Yum, yum, yum. So guys, do try this recipe at your home. It's a quick and easy egg roast recipe. Do tell me how you love these recipes. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, Foodies Magnets. And until next time, take care. Bye. Toodles. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas.